Bro, this is an amazing experience, eh? On the Moraine Lake. You guys feel amazing? Wow. Niman, you like it? That's an amazing experience. यताबाट आउँदा हुन्छ यताबाट. पर्खी एकजना गरेर आउनुपर्छ. एकजना गरेर आउनुपर्छ. Woohoo! Bro, we made it. Do you like it, eh? Woohoo! This was very amazing experience.
Probably the best lake I've ever been.
Yes.
The pani was also good. It tasted really good.
Really good, eh?
Yeah.
The taste of pani was really good?
Yes.
Man.
Really good.
Anyway, I don't know.
Good.
The taste of pani was really good?
Yeah.
Man. We
Way
did it.
better than Calgary's.
Yes.
Calgary's so bad.
Then Cambridge. Woohoo.
That was really fun.
That was fun trip, man. I liked it. I like it, man. This is the view we had from Moraine Lake. Woohoo. We just crossed the river that comes and joins the lake. The lake is the water is coming from the glacier. Glacier or पानी आउँछ अनि ठ्याक्कसँगले यहाँ जोइन हुन्छ अनि यस्तो छ यहाँ हामी घुमेर आएको छोड्दै ए सुतिरहेछ भाइ ए ल ल हामी यहाँबाट गरेको नि हो हामी यहाँबाट ऊ पाहाडी थियौँ नि अघि होइन ममा हामीलाई देख्यो भिडियो गरिदिएको ऊ पाहाडी थियौँ हामी अन्त कस्तो राम्रो भ्यू आएको थियो हो ममा कस्तो मन पऱ्यो म छोराहरूलाई हो र अब त जहाँ छिटो गएछ नि म बोक्छु नि भाइलाई Guys, you like it? तपाईँलाई जाने हो नि लु भयो ल